Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining the audience and the offer. Know who will buy and why. Begin with 3 segments: demographics, budget, motivations. Then pick one primary offer, package, experience, or flash deal, and price it to cover costs and margin. Once done, set measurable KPIs like bookings per day, CTR, and ROI % so you can test. Make sure to prepare 1-2 hero images and a headline. They'll drive early creative testing and clarify messaging for all following steps. You now build the creative and funnel that converts. This is the complex middle. Produce 3 hero creatives for key placements: landscape, square, and vertical video. Then map a simple funnel: awareness with storytelling, consideration with social proof, and booking with urgency-driven CTA, and assign a message to each touchpoint. Implement tracking, UTM, conversion pixels, and retargeting lists so you know which assets work. Make sure to A/B test one variable at a time: headline, image, or CTA, and you launch with a controlled budget and monitor early signals. Begin small for 7 to 10 days to collect statistically useful data. Once you see patterns, pause weak variants, reallocate spend to creatives and audiences hitting CTR or ROI targets, and refine landing pages for faster conversion. When issues arise, low conversions or tracking gaps, first check the pixel and attribution settings, then test landing load time and messaging clarity. If conversions still lag, try a stronger incentive or a one-time promo to receive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.